So we've put our 3 steel pins into our wooden base. We're now ready to start attaching our acrylic square. So first thing we do again, we're going to insert, then we're going to find our 65mm square. Again, I've already copied it, which is why it says version 1. So again, you just have to create a copy when it asks you to. Drop our square. Again, I would always get into the habit of not dropping it on top of where it actually needs to be, because it's quite difficult to attach it then. So if we just position around, so we need to think a little bit about how we want this attaching. So what we want is the bottom of our acrylic square to be sat onto this top face, and we also want that steel pin to go right through that hole in the middle. So we're going to use a slightly different mate condition this time. We're going to use a Revolute mate. So basically it'll allow us to fix the top and bottom and put it on the pin, but it'll still allow us to rotate it. So a bit like we can do in school, you can obviously spin that acrylic on there. So I'm going to click on that one to start with. So again, I'm going to locate, so not clicking anything at the moment, so I'm going to go underneath, zoom in a little bit, and again I want to select the bottom face. So you can see the bottom face is highlighted, and our mate connector is right in the middle of that pin. So that's good. So I'm going to click my left mouse button. Again, I can then rotate round, pan out a little bit. I'm then going to select the top face, and now again, you know, I can move this mate connector anywhere now. I want it to be right in the middle of that steel pin. So hopefully if I just rotate that round, you can see it's on the top face and it's right in the middle of that steel pin. So when I click my left mouse button, that will jump on there, and we click solve. We're happy with that. And again, that will then allow us, if I just close this off, that will allow us to actually rotate our acrylic square on that steel pin, which is exactly as it should be in real life. So once we've done that one, we then just need to insert the next one. So we then go to our documents, on shape, our 55mm square. Again, you can see I've already created a copy of it because it says V1. You just need to create that copy, click on the parts, drag it over. Again, we're going to do the exact same one. So Revolute mate. Again, I could do it all different ways, so I'll do it this way. So again, I want it to be basically that face sat on the bottom of that, and our steel pins aligned. So again, I'm going to start this way, something different. So it's definitely selected on there. Again, once I've got that, again, I could actually connect over there. Would do that. Obviously, that would then just sit my acrylic square in the wrong place. So I need to make sure that sort of mate connector is right in the middle of that circle in the steel pin. And then I'm going to scroll back out, and I want the bottom face selected. And again, I want to be right in the middle of that steel pin, so that pin connector is right in the middle there. And hopefully, if we rotate around, click on the tick box, you'll see that we've now got both our squares in. So again, click off that box because we're not running it. So again, that'll allow us to rotate that second one as well as the first one. Once we've done that, we then just need to repeat that process for all of the remaining squares that we've got. And once you've done that, it'd be great if you could then screenshot it, and we can then actually move on to the next stages of our work.